Hey guys, what's good? Hey guys, what's good? Welcome to Lit Lamping with Geannie. I hope you guys are having a marvelous day. Today I'm coming with you guys with a health related video. Today I'll be talking about two very popular products that are kind of always have been popular, but it kind of like the trends go up and down. But two popular products that help with kind of weight gain and strength, and those two products that I'll be talking about today are Maca root powder and Apetamin. So what are these products? First and foremost, Apetamin. I buy this at my local African market for about $20 each bottle. You can buy them both, whatever you prefer. Apetamin is basically a syrup that's filled with vitamins that kind of suppress your appetite. So if you eat, you will not kind of feel hungry, you feel less hungry, and you always need to eat, or it will make you keep eating more often. So Apetamin, you are supposed to take it like twice each day. I usually take mine every time I eat, before every time I eat. So I take it maybe 3 times a day. But yeah, this is very popular and for children who are experiencing malnutrition, so it helps them kind of eat more. Then we have Maca root powder. This is a powder superfood. It's usually produced in Peru, and its history, the Inca warriors used to use it for strength. So before they would travel missions and stuff, they would use that to give them strength and energy throughout their day. So this powder is supposed to give you the vitamins that you need to kind of keep you up, keep you kind of filled, but it's supposed to kind of help you eat. I bought this at grocery outlet, and yeah, it's a healthier way. It's organic, vegan, gluten-free. It's kind of the healthier alternative.
I've heard it helps you kind of with your appetite as well, but it doesn't do that to me.
So that's why I'm kind of putting the two together to kind of see the different comparisons, because I've tried both of them and they both have different effects throughout my health journey. So me, myself, I'm kind of on a fast weight gain journey. I go to the gym about 5 to 6 times a week. I do heavy weightlifting. I eat about, I want to say 3 times minimally a day, and I kind of sneak in some snacks. But I'm currently on Apetamin, and I take this before my workouts. I started my journey 3 years ago taking Apetamin. I was on and off Apetamin for about the last maybe 4 years. I would take it, then I would be on stress, and I would not eat. And that would actually make me even more hungrier. So I'm like, what the hell? I'm making myself even skinnier trying to take this, but I ain't even eating because I'm stressing and I'm working. So I'm like, I need to stop this. So I stopped this. Just stayed at my average weight of maybe 105 or 111. I was really skinny at that time. And yeah, I stopped it. I wasn't really in the right state of mind to be taking it. I feel like you need to be in the right state of mind and kind of have a consistent schedule. You need to kind of have intentions, like, okay, I'm going to take this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to get my next bottle of this or buy the malt. You can kind of have a little planned out so it works out. Kind of have a reason for taking it, don't just take it. I recently started back officially taking it back in January. Yes, kind of January, the second week of January. I bought my first bottle. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this out back again. I'm kind of in a better mental state, so I decided to do it. I got my gym membership. I've been in the gym consistently since then. Woo! My overall goal weight is, I'm sorry, so I'm stuffy. My overall goal weight is 145. I'm currently at 122. But I kind of don't measure myself until, I kind of don't weigh myself until I see a scale. Just cause when I used to measure myself, it would just alter my emotions. I would be at a certain weight and I'll go to the gym hard and it'd say I'm less than what I was yesterday. I'm like, what the fuck? I just went to the gym. What the fuck, bro? So I kind of just don't measure myself often. Just take that out of my head. Keep doing what I'm doing. You know, when I see it, I'll do it, and I know. My experience with Maca. So I just started using Maca about 2 months ago as well, or a month ago. I just started buying it. I just bought, this is like the first pack I bought. The difference with Maca. So Maca is very cool. You can put it in your protein smoothies, you can put it in your guacamole, you can put it in anything. It doesn't have too much of a strong taste, but it has a bit of a hint taste. So when I put it in my smoothies, it's kind of chalky. But I mean, you can make it taste well. On the back, there's a freaking recipe for guacamole. Literally guacamole. So you can get really creative for this. And The only thing I realized with Maca is it works slower, so it doesn't really work to my benefit. For me, if I want to take something that's gonna make me stronger, I want to feel it like in the next 30 minutes. So this kind of works in like the next hour. I don't really get that I need to eat feeling. I kind of get minimal strength feeling, and if I put too much in my food, it'll take too chalky. So it's kind of like a win-lose situation with Maca, however you taste it. This is a powerful ancient food. It goes back in the day. Good for energy and strength and endurance and kind of staying up when you're training. So I kind of use it just for my training benefits. Yeah, if you're on the price side, it's really what your values are. If you're kind of on the fast gain journey, I would say Apetamin's worth it because it lasts you about, they say a week, but honestly for me, I take it for the whole like 3 weeks. It lasts me like about 2.5 to 3 weeks, and I get the results that I want at the rate that I want. This is kind of like, I'm in the mode, I'm getting there. I wouldn't say it's for people that are on that fast journey. You're kind of getting into it slowly. You want to try something new, that want to get the energy, some new sense of, you know, some natural energy. I would recommend this if you want something more natural for your body. Yeah, I usually use this with my protein powder. Y'all, let me show y'all my protein powder. So this is a protein powder that I have been using. It is some pea protein powder. This is all vegan. This is no dairy, gluten-free. You can even use it to make muffins. This is a chocolate version. Helps with muscle mass. It's dairy-free, soy-free. It's easy to digest. I like this because of how thin it is. It breaks down. It does have a slight chalky taste, but it's easier to digest. I don't really get gas. This is how I looked about, what year was this? I'll put the date on here. I can't remember my head, but this is me back then when I first started my Apetamin journey. My child was about 2 years old, my child was 1 year old. I was so thin, stressed, depressed. Oh my God, a mess. Yeah, then I found the Lord. Just kidding. Then life went on, you evolve, you grow, you learn, you heal, and now this is me. I don't know how much I weigh because I told y'all I don't weigh myself. So I honestly think it's about finding what works best for you and your body, trying out different things and kind of keeping consistency. That's the most important thing, or you'll be wasting your fucking money and your fucking time and your fucking energy in the fucking gym, going once a day and not eating and doing Apetamin, but it's like it don't balance, you know? So find your balance, keep doing this. Like if you guys are on this journey as well, let's talk, let's be friends, let's support each other, let's motivate each other and share tips, you know? You guys caught me during my lunchtime, so I'm gonna show y'all my typical meal. Let's see what we eating for lunch today. Oh, what you looking at? So today let me see if I can do this. So today I have some, these are all leftovers by the way, but these are all leftovers. If y'all want the recipe, I may make a recipe video, but I have some barbecue sweet chili cauliflower. Was crispy, not so crispy no more because it's leftovers. Oh, I can't talk. Some dairy-free or like vegan mashed potatoes, vegan garlic mashed potatoes. I have a side of broccolini and purple and regular carrots, and I have a side of whole wheat toast, some jam on it, and you know, like the inside of a deviled egg, that's what's on top of it. So like deviled egg and mustard and some spices and stuff like that. So that is my lunch right now. I'm gonna make a smoothie after that, go to the gym, whatever. These are usually my typical lunches. I like to rack it up. I like to get big plates because when you get small plates, it doesn't really make sense. So when you get big plates, it kind of forces you to eat bigger. So it's kind of like that mind control. Yeah, I'm gonna go have my lunch. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or video suggestions, please let me know. Drop them in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe. See y'all later. Peace. Peace.